Hello, and thank you for joining us to learn about an exciting new drum set from Roland. V-drums are known for their incredible sound, expressive playability, and quality construction, and they're the overwhelming choice for professional drummers worldwide. With electronic drums, great sounds and playability is key. Every drum and percussion sound offers a wide dynamic range and natural tone, and the pads provide the natural response that V-drums are known for. This versatile drum set includes 15 kits for any musical style, from rock to jazz to hip-hop, even percussion sounds. For effective and fun practice, the TD1KV includes a built-in metronome. Another cool feature is record mode. And with the simple push of a button, I can play back what I just recorded. Use the output phones jack to connect to an external amplifier or speakers, or plug in headphones for quiet drumming so you don't disturb family members or neighbors. Or connect your MP3 player to play with your favorite tunes. With a USB cable, you can connect the TD1 module to your computer for interacting with music education or composition software. This compact drum set sounds great, plays fantastic, is easy to use, and the stand is easy to set up, sturdy, and can be quickly adjusted to fit the size of any player, including small children. Roland has never before offered all these professional and exclusive features in such an affordable kit. This package will give you or the drummer in your life years of high-performance drumming, with all the advantages of V-drum's electronic percussion.